Hi, I'm Kevin Riley from Osaka Day Tours, and I'm standing here in front of JR Tennoji Station to answer the question, do you need a JR Pass for your trip to Japan? In this video, I'm going to show you what a JR Pass is. I'm going to go over when it makes sense to have one and when it doesn't make sense to have one, what an ICOCA card is and why that might be all you need, and then I'm going to show you how to get each of these. So watch the rest of this video, and by the end of it, you're going to know which is the best fit for your itinerary. So what is a JR Pass? Well, it's a pass that allows you to ride all the JR trains across Japan. You can get a 7-day pass that starts at 50,000 yen, a 14-day pass starts at 80,000 yen, or a 21-day pass starting at 100,000 yen. You can also choose to upgrade that to green class if you want to go in first-class cars. Now, that will take you on all the JR trains and the Shinkansen, but not the Nozomi or the Mizuho, which are the fastest ones. That's the ones I usually ride, but then, of course, I'm not using a JR Pass. Now, having a JR Pass makes sense. You're going to be taking a lot of long train rides. Maybe you're taking the Shinkansen, Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, Hiroshima, all these other places, Fukuoka and places like that. Yes, then it makes sense to have a JR Pass. However, it doesn't make much sense if all you're going to be doing is taking a train from Tokyo down to Osaka or Kyoto, and then you're going to be taking a lot of local trains. First of all, it's only used on the JR trains, so you'd be using it to come down the Shinkansen. You might use it to go, this is a JR line right here behind me, but a lot of the other train lines are not JR, and it's not going to work on there. So in that case, it does not make sense to have a JR Pass. So what should you have? With an ICOCA card, you can ride all the local trains. That's the Keihan, Kintetsu, Hankyu, Hankai, Nankai, and the Metro. Also, you can use it on buses. You can even use this in vending machines. You can't ride these trains with a JR Pass. So, JR Pass. Good if you're going to be taking those long distance train trips and going to a lot of places in the country. However, ICOCA, much better if you're going to be just using a lot of local trains. You're going to be using other train line companies, private train companies, subways, things like that. Think of it this way. Think of the JR Pass as like a Disney pass and your ICOCA as a debit card. How do you get your JR Pass? Well, you go to jrpass.com. Then you select either a 7-day, 14-day, or 21-day pass. You order your voucher online. You're going to send you a voucher. When you come to Japan, you go to the JR Pass exchange office. You're going to need your voucher and your passport. You show that, you're going to get your pass, and then you can ride all the JR trains. So how do you get yourself an ICOCA card? We come up to one of these machines at a train station. This is just my local train station. Most train stations have this, and you can buy an ICOCA card. All right, so you come up to the machine. You can get it in English. Switch over, purchase ICOCA card, push that, feed in 2,000 yen, and you're going to get your card. There's a 500 yen deposit, which you can get back when you return your card. All right, so how do you use the card at the station? Well, it's really easy. As you're going in at the gates, you just touch it to go in, and when you get off the train, you touch it at the gates to go out. It's as simple as that. Now, if you're coming with me on a walking and public transportation, countryside, or hiking tour, you're going to have your own ICOCA card preloaded and ready to go. Now, if you have any questions, please use the link either in the description or in the pinned comment below, and you can go to my Contact Us page. Also, please like this and share it with your friends to let them have more information about getting around here in Kansai.